Hello, fourth graders, and welcome to your video, Unit 7, Session 2.4, Strategies for Multiplication. All right, I would like for you to get out your Math Student Activity Book, and I want you to open up to page 463. And we are going to look at problem number 1, 39 times 75. And I want to look at a couple of different strategies to solve this problem, because we have a two-digit number times a two-digit number. All right, so we're on page 463, and we are looking at problem number 1. So what if I decided to start this problem by multiplying 40 times 75? And you say, wait, that's not the problem. The problem is 39 times 75, not 40. Well, let's see if I can still get the right answer. So I am going to take the 40 times 75, and instead of automatically going, what is 40 times 75? I'm going to start with a friendly number of 10. And I'm going to say, what is 10 times 75? And I know 10 times 75 is 750. So what would 750 times 4? Or 750 plus 750 plus 750 plus 750, what would that be? Or 40 times 75, what would that be? And that answer would be 3,000. Now again, we're still looking at 40 times 75 and not 39, because 40 has become our friendly number. But I can't use the answer of 3,000 because that is one group of 75 too much. So I now have to say, all right, what's 3,000 minus that one group of 75? And when I subtract that, I get the answer of 2,925. So 39 times 75 is 2,925. Now let's look at another strategy. Maybe I said, well, what if I wanted to start this problem with 30 times 75? 30 times 75. And again, you say, wait, the problem is not 30 times 75. The problem is 39 times 75. But let's see if we can still get the same answer. So I'm going to break this 30 down into friendly numbers, powers of 10. So 10 times 75, as we know, is 750. 20 times 75, so this is 750 plus 750 is 1,500. And then 30 times 75 is 1,500 plus 750. And that would be 2,250. Now that's still just giving me 30 times 75, not 39 times 75. So now I have to say, what is 9 times 75? Now if I go back up here to the top, at the very beginning, I did 10 times 75. And I knew that was 750. So if I took 750 minus one group of 75, that gives me 675. Now I'm going to take these two subproducts, 2,250 plus 675, and I'm going to add them. I'm going to combine them to see what our final answer would be. And look at this, boys and girls. Even doing it with starting out with 30 times 75, I still got the same answer of 2,925. Now, these are just two other strategies that you can try when you were multiplying a two-digit times a two-digit. Remember, you have to choose the strategy that works best for you to make you a fluent mathematician. All right, that's it for now. See you later.